Scaling in Figma. The scaling tool in Figma gets overlooked quite a bit, but comes in very handy at times. Here I have a vector illustration, and you can see that this is made up out of different shapes, and these shapes have a stroke that has a different weight. So sometimes it's 20, 8, and so on. Now, if I want to enlarge that, what I could do is go to the edge until you see the little arrow key appear, and then hold shift down to keep the proportions, and now I can change the size. However, with the strokes, it just doesn't work properly. It doesn't give me the right proportions. So a much better way to do this would be to use the scale tool. You find the scale tool in the toolbar right next to the move tool. So make sure you take out the submenu, and then here you see scale, or you can also use the shortcut K. You'll notice that the arrow looks a little bit different, and then on the right hand side here you can see the scale menu. So in the scale menu you can either add an amount, so 2 times the current size, for example. If you press K again, you get back in there. You can also add a specific height and width that you want this to be scaled. And you can also choose the scale direction. So for example, you could make it grow from the bottom left onwards. You can also scale on the canvas as long as you're inside of the scale tool. So just select any element, and then you're gonna see a new arrow at the edge. And as you're in the scale tool, then this is now gonna scale it properly. Sometimes you get stuck in the scale tool. So if you don't find all your other settings, then this is because the scale tool is still open. Just make sure that you close it right here with the X.